Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Trello labels and member assignments safely step by step clearly. To begin, open your Trello board in your web browser. Navigate to the right side of the screen to find the Show Menu button. Click on Show Menu to expand the menu options. From the expanded menu, click on More to reveal additional options. Select Print Board to prepare for exporting your board's content. In the Print dialog, choose Save as PDF or similar option based on your browser. Once the board is generated in a printable format, save the file to your computer. Open the exported PDF file to review the labels and member assignments. Make a note of any specific details or valuable information in the PDF. Alternatively, you can use a third-party tool like Trello Export. Go to the Trello Export website and sign in with your Trello account. Follow the prompts to authorize the app to access your Trello boards. Choose the specific board from which you want to export labels and member assignments. Select the desired format for the data export, such as CSV or JSON. Click on the Export button to download the file. Open the downloaded file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets for easy viewing. Make sure to organize the data by labels and member assignments for clarity. Save your organized file to a secure location on your computer or a cloud service. Regularly back up this data to prevent any loss in the future. By following these steps, you will have safely backed up your Trello labels and member assignments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.